Hello traders, Kelly254 here, and today I'm going to show you how to create Deriv bot with two predictions. It was a bot that was requested here, and it is supposed to also have a entry point and a martingale. So let's get started. First thing, I'll reset this bot, and since the bot should have a martingale, I should add the necessary variables for our martingale to work. So we have the initial stake, martingale stake, and we have martingale size. He said that it should have two predictions, so we will have our prediction 1, prediction 2, and a prediction like that. So you're supposed to set an initial stake, assuming we start with something like $10, and we set our martingale stake to our initial stake. Then we set our, remember we are supposed to change this one from up and down to digits and then over and under, since he or she said that it's supposed to be trading over 2 and over 3 for recovery. So we attach our martingale stake right over here like that, and supposed to set our prediction this one has a problem, supposed to be prediction 1, so we're supposed to rename the variable prediction 1 like that, and prediction 2, assuming prediction 1 is the initial prediction, which is 2, and the other one is 3, and we set our prediction 2, prediction 1 like that, and we attach our prediction right over here like that. So we go next, supposed to delete these blocks, supposed to go to logic, if, supposed to go to analysis, then a contract, if result is win, then set prediction to prediction 1, else set prediction to prediction 2 like that. This will change the prediction once the bot loses the contract. And now we're supposed to make our martingale work. So we go to logic, then if, and then if result is a loss, even we do not need this contract, this block. So if result is a loss, set martingale, if result is a win, set martingale stake to initial stake. We did not set our martingale size right over here, so martingale size, set it to something like 2, but you can always adjust it whenever you want. Then from this point, if the result is a loss, then need maths, then multiply your martingale stake multiplied by martingale size like that, and the bot is done, and we're supposed to have our trade again block right over there. So that's it. Let's run our bot and see if the logic has been achieved. Can see it started with over 2 and it was a win. It went to a loss. Let's see if it changes to over 3. Can see strictly higher than 3, and it implied the martingale that we have used right over here. That's it for this video. I'll attach a link on the description box whereby you can access this bot, and if you are willing maybe to add take profit and stop loss to these blocks, check out my creating the Deriv bot playlist, and you will have these you will see a video that I did on adding stop loss, take profit to your Deriv bot. That's it. Make sure to subscribe and like my video for more content regarding Deriv bots. Also comment the next bot that you wanna see me creating, and I will do a video creating the same. I was almost forgetting to add the entry point, so let me add it. So have the entry point like that, and set entry point to whichever digit that you want. For our case, let me just use digit 3 as it is. So we have to add logic. If last digit, so go to analysis, tick and candle analysis, and get last digit is equals to your entry point. Go again to your variables, then add entry point. Entry point. If last digit is equals to your entry point, then it's supposed to loop. We need to loops, repeat, and we need this one also right over there, and we need the run after. We need it to run after 0 seconds. Whereby it will be checking the entry point after 0 seconds. This will make sure that it will not skip any digit that has been any of your entry points, and then attach this one right over here. We need also to see the last digit, so go to notifications and then notify like this, and then we need last digit right over here. You can add a text here, but this one is also okay like that, and we attach our notification block right over, not notification, our entry block right over there. So you'll be adjusting your entry point from this point, and then let's run our bot and see if it obeys. You can clearly see that it is fetching. It is fetching for the entry point on the journal part. Whenever the last digit is digit 3, then the bot automatically will, you can see it is started to purchase over 3, and again it goes back to the entry point. Now there is something that you can adjust. You see, after every contract, the bot has to go again and find the entry point, and you can adjust this by adding another block. So you can add another variable and call it a first contract like that. First contract like this, and then set first contract to maybe null like that. Just touch null and it will appear null, and then logic, you can just use this one. So if first contract is null like that, then breakout, then not breakout, then attach this block right over here and remove this block outside like that. Delete this block like that, and then if first contract is equals to null, then set, after the first contract, set first contract true. Just search here true, and it will appear true like that. Set first contract to true. This will make the bot after the first contract, now it will not go again fetching for the entry point. Let me run and see. Let's wait for the entry point. Let's wait and see what happens. It is waiting for digit 3 is the entry point. You can see it found digit 3. Now moving on forward, it is not supposed to go fetching for digit 3 as you have seen on the journal part. Now it is purchasing contracts back to back. Yeah, that's it for the entry point. I was almost forgetting to add the entry point.